So guys, the first reason why you're getting this problem is because you do not have a Wi-Fi card installed in your computer. If there is no Wi-Fi card that's been pre-installed into your computer, then you can buy a Wi-Fi adapter, install that into your computer, and this should not fix your problem. If you already have a wireless Wi-Fi card installed to your computer and you're still getting this problem, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your Wi-Fi card. It may be called something like Wi-Fi 6E something hertz, something along those lines. Or maybe you already know what the name of your Wi-Fi card is. So now once you find your Wi-Fi card, you want to make sure that it's been enabled. Now this is not my Wi-Fi card, this is my network adapter, but just imagine that this is my Wi-Fi card. It's currently disabled, so I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable device. Make sure that your Wi-Fi card has been enabled. See if that works for you. You can also try to disable it and then enable it again. For the next method, you want to right click on your Wi-Fi card and then click on update driver. Now you want to click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to choose the driver that you think is most applicable to your Wi-Fi card. For me it's going to be this one right here, and then click on next. You want to install that. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.